See, he's taking some dirt here off the side. He's digging himself a little trench next to the footing and that wall. That way he can use the leverage of the rest of it for it to come down. See? Good grief. Let's get you resituated. Look at that thing. Now he's gonna take a bite. He's gonna take a bite of it. Can. He's digging along that side. There's a black pipe there. See that? That's not an irrigation, but a landscape type pipe that went around there for drainage. I didn't think his bucket would be strong enough to do that, but it is. I don't know if he's going to try to take that. He's going to try to take this wall out or not before he starts doing something else. We'll see. See, he may just leave that wall there until he gets all the other stuff out of there. I don't know. I don't know what he's planning on doing next. Hey, we should go up there, shall we? Go up there and see what he's doing. To see where he's at, there's a 2-car garage area, and he may end up starting to pull that concrete up over there. I don't know. Okay, well, I think that's all I have for now. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.